welcome to Marti Enlighters. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe and tap a bell icon to get the latest notification. You can share your opinions on below comment section.
Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you the most important RRB NTPC related material. Yes, RRB NTPC released nearly 35,000 vacancies. The vacancies are very high. In the same way, competition is also very high. Now I am going to show you the RRB NTPC previous year 71 model papers in the form of Android application. Instead of buying physical book with free of cost, you can get 71 model papers. Just you need only internet data. You can access 71 model papers in Hindi and English, two languages. You can get it. You can download the PDF file. The access is very user friendly. At a time only you can use only one page, is like a book, so it is very convenient to all. You can download online PDF. It is very accessible to all. At a time you can use only one page. It is like a book. In PDF file you can get it number of pages, but it is very confusing. Here you can open only one page. After that you can access to another page, so it is like a book. Instead of purchasing physical book, this application is very useful to you all. It is helpful not only for RRB NTPC, even it is useful for RRB Group D examination also. Without wasting of time, let's see how app will work. Go to Play Store. Here type RRB NTPC previous year question papers. Already app installed in my system, so I am showing. In description I will give you the link. Directly you can download it from here. This is the user interface. NTPC previous year set 1 17/1/2017 shift 1. From there you can get it all the questions. Last application is 24/2016 shift 3 CBT 1. Like this you can get it all the model papers. Now I am opening first set of model paper. It takes 3 or 5 seconds. Yeah, opened. This is the user interface. First in Hindi language, second in English. It is like a book wise it is opening. You can see, you can go to next page, you can go to next page. In this way you can access to the RRB NTPC previous year model papers. Just it is like a book. While dragging to left side, it is opening. Left page it is opening. While dragging to right side page is opening. So I think this application is very useful to you all. Vacancies are very high when compared to previous notification. Previous notification only 18,000. In 18,000 only they reduced 4,000 vacancies. Now the 35,000 vacancies is not a small count. I hope this video is very useful to you all. If you like our video, please share and subscribe our channel.